children arriving by bus to start a new day in school. Some children arrive at Brethren Woods by bus and begin a day at outdoor school.
The outdoor school program is a chance for children and youth to come out to camp to reinforce the principles that they've learned in the classroom through hands-on learning and experiments and activities that you can only really do in an outdoor setting like this. It's a chance to come and spend the day outside, to enjoy a picnic, and just have a chance to learn what it means to be a steward of creation here in our beautiful outdoor setting.
A day at outdoor school begins as students, teachers, and parents arrive in the morning and gather by the lake for a welcome and orientation session. A member of the camp staff shares about some of the things they'll be doing during their stay at Brethren Woods and offers important rules which provide safety and security for the children as well as for the natural environment they will experience. The rest of the morning is filled with groups rotating through various nature-related activities which are led by camp staff and volunteers and structured to meet state standards of learning.
For our elementary school students, we have lesson plans that are designed for each grade level that reinforce the SOLs that they're required to learn in the classroom. Students get to participate in a hike, some experiments, maybe a craft project, a scavenger hunt, large and small groups activities that help them to reinforce those things that they've already learned in the classroom or that they're going to be learning during the year.
Kindergarten will study in the spring about the 5 senses, and everything that we've done today has been geared to that, so it fits in perfectly.
One of the activities we did today was the kids got to see how bats have echoes and how they are able to eat their prey. And the kids were bats, and they got to chase around the mosquitoes, and they had little noisemakers, and this is great because it met the SOL in science, where they need to know as much as they can about living creatures.
We did the camouflage critters, and we enjoyed that very much. We are in the midst of studying camouflage right now, especially amongst insects, but making the critters just made it come alive for the kids, so I appreciated that too.
The Run Rabbit Run game that the children play here allows them to see that animals, with the populations, animals may die out based on the food sources that they may have at that time, or they may become overpopulated. And it allows children to see that animals live and die in an environment based on food sources.
Other activities include tree cookies, a session to learn about tree growth and tree rings where students get to make a take-home name tag necklace, swallows and sparrows, an experiment with feeding methods and animal adaptations, the Homes for Sale game, in which groups match specific animals with their appropriate habitat, and a hike through the woods to explore plant and animal habitation. Following the morning session, groups eat a picnic lunch and have an opportunity for recreation on the playfield. Some may get to sing a nature song together,
Swim in the water,
Swimming in the water,
and others may even have a chance to take a short nap. In the afternoon, students gather for a final activity, a scavenger hunt or large group game, which reinforces the activities and learnings of the day. Outdoor School is an innovative and exciting program bringing over 2,500 students to Brethren Woods each year. Participants come from public and private schools in Augusta, Page, Rockingham, and Shenandoah counties, and the cities of Harrisonburg, Waynesboro, and Stanton. The traditional program has sessions in the fall and spring and is open to classes from kindergarten through 5th grade. The Outdoor School program also includes a self-guided environmental study trail designed for middle and high school students. This 10-station circuit includes environmental topics with SOL-related activities and projects to complete at each station.
It's a lot of fun being able to interact with the children in an outdoor setting and ask them questions and have them respond to those questions. I think it's an excellent opportunity for the children to be able to have a classroom in the outdoors, and being able to offer Brethren Woods as that possibility I think has been a great asset to the community.
It's a great learning experience, and children love being outside. There's so many ways they can learn, and to have a contained environment where we can come spend the day outside. It's a gorgeous day. It's a beautiful place to be, and there's just tons of activities out here for them to do. Great ways for them to get involved with nature, and they love it.
Brethren Woods offers an excellent resource for teachers here in this area or elsewhere. They do a great job stressing the SOLs that we need to cover for animals and plants and in their biomes and environments. I would highly recommend it. The kids have a great time here.
The Red Maple